Interest rates are not likely to fall anytime soon as the Fed is looking to see inflation closer to 2% before it makes any decision for a rate cut. It's Friday, July 12th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Inflation has eased over the past few years, but it's not enough, according to the Federal Reserve, though many legislators are saying that the high interest rates are making it harder for affordability. The reality is that is not the singular problem. Inventory shortages exist nationwide, and if the rates do fall, more buyers will come back to the market for the limited inventory, compete, and likely drive housing prices even higher. The blame on a lack of affordability cannot be on just one arm of this monster. There are many arms lending to this crushing problem. Higher cost for construction and skilled labor to build new homes, fewer builders building new homes, corporate investors buying existing inventory by squeezing out homeowner occupants, zoning issues, NIMBY thinkers blocking workforce housing, and the list goes on. Meanwhile, Maryland housing inventory saw 1,894 homes hit the market this past week, and another 1,261 are coming soon. 1,639 homes went under contract in 13 median days. 1,074 homes sold since the last report at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 8 days. Rentals available for lease rose again this week to 2,257 at $2,450 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for your weekly Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 12th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.